Thanks for joining us today. In this video, you will learn about digital marketing campaigns. Here's what we will cover. You're going to learn about key messaging, which is the first step in developing your digital marketing campaign. We're then going to map out your marketing campaign, develop your landing pages and offers, discuss advertising best practices, look at setting up your automated email campaigns, discuss lead scoring, and projection reporting. These are the different components that make up the blueprint of your digital marketing campaigns. Let's start by looking at the typical advertising cycle. Normally, when we see a campaign, we notice that businesses develop a website first, then they purchase advertising and direct the advertising to their website. Then, they take the leads and give them to salespeople and have the salespeople call on the leads. The problem with this approach is you actually have less leads that are generated. You're not sure which ads are performing best. It's unclear what the cost per lead and sale is. Unqualified leads are sent to sales, frustrating salespeople and reducing the conversion rate from leads into sales. And the leads are not nurtured for future sales, resulting in lost revenue. So this is not the way that we want to set up an advertising campaign or a digital marketing campaign. The reality is that only 5% of leads are sales ready. By contacting your leads too early, prospects are frustrated, and so are the salespeople. What you want to do is maximize your conversion rate from leads into sales is to nurture your leads using email automation. Here's an example. If we were running an ad that cost us $1,000 and it generated 10 leads and 1 sale, we want to know how that happened. With the advertising model we saw earlier, where you're taking your ads, you're driving them to your website, and then passing them on to sales, there's no way to understand which ads are performing, which ones are generating leads, and which ads, our channels, are converting best from lead to sale. Now, let's take a look at the campaign-based marketing approach. With the campaign-based model, as you can see here, the first thing that you do is develop your key messaging. Then map out your campaign, which is the top circle that you're seeing here. Then, you develop your landing pages with offers. I'll get into that in a minute. Your landing pages is where you drive your traffic to, instead of a website. Once you've developed your landing pages with your offers, develop your ads. Set up your automated email campaigns. Then set up lead scoring if needed in the future. It depends on the size of your company. Many small businesses don't need lead scoring, but lead scoring can be very powerful. Next, drive your qualified leads to salespeople. Once you have completed this, you are ready to develop more advanced projection reporting. Let's take a deeper look at each step, starting with your key messaging. When developing your key messaging, you want to outline the emotional drivers of your target audience so that you understand what matters to them so your marketing connects with what's important to your prospects. Take the time to uncover their desires, fears, frustrations, the obstacles that are standing in their way, the key benefits that your product provides, how you are different, the proof points that substantiate your claims, the story that you want to tell, and your overall value proposition. Once you have a good understanding of what you want to communicate based on what's important to your audience, map out your digital marketing campaign. We're going to show you examples of what that would look like. When mapping out your campaign, you want to show the channels that you will use to drive traffic, the landing page that ads will connect to, as well as your email marketing campaigns to follow. The first email marketing campaign that we are showing you here is what is called a bonding campaign. It's a simple way to make leads more sales ready by providing great value to your prospect prior to making your sales pitch. In this example, you will send out a sequence of bonding emails after generating the lead that educate your prospect on how to make the right purchase decision. For example, if we were selling hot tubs, we may have a 3-part email sequence on how to select the right hot tub. By providing this information, you are positioning yourself as a thought leader and positioning your product as the obvious choice. Next, you may send out a sequence of emails referring to a last-minute promotion for a limited time to drive your prospects to come in-store. As you can see, this is a simple but very effective way to develop a campaign that gets better results than just calling your prospects. The next email marketing campaign example that you can see here is a multi-video campaign. If you are great on camera, a multi-video campaign is a great choice. It's similar to a bonding campaign, but you are using video. Webinars or other events can work very well if the price of your product is higher. Your event can be automated or live. This is your choice. With an event campaign, you send a sequence of invitation emails to drive prospects to sign up for your event. To maximize the number of people that actually attend, send out a sequence of reminder emails. And to maximize the volume of people that see your event, send out a rebroadcast sequence. The purpose of showing you these email campaigns is to illustrate how powerful campaigns can be. And there are many more campaigns that you can build. Once you've mapped out your campaign, we want to develop our landing pages. The elements that have the greatest impact on your landing page results are your headline, offer, bullet points, credibility indicators, and your hero image. The credibility indicator is more important on a sales letter versus a simple landing page for lead generation. When setting up your landing pages, use a separate landing page for each ad that you're running so you can track which ad produces the best results. The next thing you want to do is develop your ads. Whether it's pay-per-click using Facebook, Instagram, and Google ads, whatever it may be to you, you want to develop these ads and then drive the ads into your landing page to test both your ads and landing page performance. When it comes to your ads, test different headlines, offers, images, and mediums, such as static, carousel, or video. Once you have determined which ads for landing pages are performing best, set up your automated email campaigns to follow up on your leads. When developing your automated email campaigns, use plain text for emails and test sales letters in plain text before using video. The reason we recommend this is because it is easier to determine what copy is performing best. You also want to review your email open and click-through rates to understand what subject lines and emails are performing best. At this point, you have the majority of your digital marketing campaign in place. As you grow, add lead scoring to your campaign so you can better segment the order that you send leads to your sales team. Lead scoring looks at the digital body language of your prospects. Those that are most active in terms of the volume of emails they open and click through on, as well as the volume of content they download, should be contacted first because they are showing you they are more engaged and sales ready. While you're performing some basic analysis early in developing your digital marketing campaign by analyzing your cost per click, lead, and sale, as well as the performance of your email campaigns, over time, you will want to get into more in-depth reporting. Specifically, you will want to implement reporting that allows you to project out leads, sales calls, and sales for each month, quarter, and year. And you want to be able to compare ad spends and performance by lead channel so you can make spend adjustments and better understand how to scale your business. Thank you for attending today's presentation. We covered quite a bit in this video, from key messaging and mapping out your marketing to developing your landing pages and offers, creating your ads and setting up your automated email campaigns, lead scoring, and projection reporting. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact us at 1-888-533-4886. To learn more, check us out at blueprintim.com and download our complete digital marketing ebook. It goes much more in depth. Take care and have an amazing day.